Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Today's thought is you will never be ready. Just now start. Okay? That means you are always saying अभी मैं ready नहीं हूँ, मैं बाद में करता हूँ. But हमें क्या करना चाहिए? If that time you are thinking एंड दैट टाइम यू हैव टू स्टार्ट ओनली. ओके, हम कभी भी किसी भी काम के लिए रेडी नहीं रहते. हमें जस्ट क्या करना चाहिए? स्टार्टअप करना चाहिए. स्टार्टअप होने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली हम क्या करते हैं? उस थिंग के बारे में रेडी हो जाते या प्रिपेयर हो जाते. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इन प्रीवियसली वीडियो वी स्टार्टेड आवर for lesson number 1, that is a let's go to school every day, and we had already learned in urban areas like the big city and small city students use vans, rickshaw, okay, like that, develop vehicles to come the school. Okay, as well as in cities and in urban areas bridge also provided for crossing the road. But in India many places, worldwide, in many places are there are not a proper roads are there, as well as not a vehicles are there to come to school for the students. But then they are the coming, they are come the school by different way. Okay, and in that lesson they are explaining many places like desert, forest like structure, and there students suffer many problems to come to schools. Okay, now just open the textbook, EVS textbook, and open the page number 3rd. Okay, now start the next point of that lesson. It's a camel cart. Okay, students, we can see where the camels are seen naturally in a desert, obviously. Okay, because adaptation of camel is suitable for the environment as a desert. Okay, camel in a long period of time it can live without water. Okay, next, we live in the desert. Okay, one students who is living in a desert, they explain their experiences. Okay, and they said that we live in the desert, there is a sand all around. You know that in desert everywhere sand is there. Okay, and in that desert the very little much rainfall is there. That's why during day the temperature is very hot. Okay, and they use camel cart like the bullock cart. You know that now, bullock cart, tonga. So in a desert there are people using the camel cart for traveling through the sand. Okay, understood students? And they are using, and that means the students living in that desert, they are using the camel cart to reach the school. Understood students? In desert living students, to reach the school they are using the camel cart. Okay, next vehicle is a bullock cart. You know that bullock cart? It is mostly seen in your villages. bullock cart हमें कहाँ दिखाई देती है? villages में. Not only for going to school, recently तो in village also they are not using bullock cart, but in very few places they are using come to school for bullock cart. Okay, we live in a village, we ride on our bullock cart going slowly through a green field to the school. If it is a too sunny or raining, we use our umbrella. Okay, you already seen that bullock cart or not, sir? But in picture they are showing that the picture of the bullock cart. in bullock cart, जो bullock cart का बेस होता है या बैक साइड पे जहाँ पे पीपल बैठ सकते, that part is not covered part. Okay, whenever it's sunny days या rainy days they are using umbrella for protection from rain as well as sunlight, hot climate. Understood students? That means those students living in a village and their roads are not properly developed and no other vehicles are available are there, so they are using bullock cart to travel from school to home or home to school by the bullock cart. Okay, do you camel cart or bullock cart where you live? Do you have anyone have bullock cart or camel cart? Then they are written yes and no, then you are written no. Make a drawing of it in your notebook. Okay, you have to draw the picture of bullock cart and camel cart in your notebook. Next point, it's a bicycle ride. Okay, our school is a far away. At first girls here did not go to school, but now all girls easily go to school on the bicycle. Okay, in previously our society गर्ल्स को अलाउ नहीं करती थी फॉर द लर्निंग, उनको स्कूल में नहीं भेजते थे, बट रिसेंटली they are sending the girls to the school, as well as our government also help that girls those are not having other option to come to school or vehicles, they are provided free bicycle to the school to promote it girl education. Okay, as well as up to 10 standards girls education is free throughout the India, but it is in a government school. Okay, and now the school provided that bicycle to the girls, so they are easily come to school by the bicycle. Okay, but previously, as you know, bullock cart as well as camel cart they are using for come to school, and but as well as in village in nowadays also they are bullock cart using for transporting and for racing and for transporting sugar cane also, and they are teasing that animal, they are hitting that animal, but it is good students? No, कभी भी हमें animals को hit नहीं करना है. Not only animals, in our home we are keeping the pet, and in pet also don't tease. जो रोड पे डॉगीज दिखते हैं हम विदाउट रीज़न हम उनको स्टोन थ्रो करते, टीस करते, बट इट इज़ अ नॉट गुड फॉर एनिमल्स एंड इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर अस फॉर अ ह्यूमैनिटी. ओके, हमें उनकी केयर करनी चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स. और इट इज़ अ सेंसिटिव टूवर्ड द एनिमल. एनिमल के थ्रू हमें क्या होना चाहिए? सेंसिटिव होना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑफ animals also having the emotions. Okay students, so love to them. Okay, next page, turn your page. They are asking some question. Can you ride on a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? Okay students, as I supposed to be every students having the bicycle, no na? Yes na? That means हर किसी के पास बाइक है, so everyone ride on a bicycle, so you can ride yes. Okay, if yes, who taught you to ride? आपको साइकिल किसने सिखाई? Sometime या some students taught by father और elder brother और elder sister. जिसने भी आपको सिखाई है, you have to mention my father, my sister, my elder brother, my uncle. Okay, like that. That teaches, taught me ride a bicycle. Okay, how many children? Next question it was, how many children come on bicycle to your school? If you know, write the number of the students, because many students having the home at nearby the school, so they can able to come with bicycle. So if you know, you can write, otherwise just filling them. Okay, next question, is your school near home or far away? आपका स्कूल आपके घर से नियर में है कि फार अवे है? इफ इट्स नियर, सो यू हैव टू राइट इट्स नियर फ्रॉम माई होम, एंड इट्स फार अवे, so it's far away from home. Okay, here one picture is given. My school, it's my van. We are living very far from school. School has arranged a vehicle for us in which we go to school every day. Okay, in our society like Vapi, many, every school provided school bus for the students, but it is not compulsory. But in our school, many students come through that the school bus. Okay, and according to that they are asking the question, does your school provide this kind of facility? Yes, our school provide school bus facility. Okay, if yes, then in what vehicle do you go to school? अगर आप जाते हो तो which type, school van or school bus? Okay, in pre-primary school provided school van, and in a primary or secondary, higher secondary students, school provided the school bus. But in our school, school bus provided by the school. Okay, so you have to write here, my school provided school bus to come the school. Okay, understood students? Today we learn students come to camel cart in a desert, bullock cart in a village, as well as in some places students use their bicycle for come to school, and in urban areas school provided bus as well as school van to the students for the transportation. Okay, understood students? And next video we learn next topic of that lesson. Until you just read the textbook until you complete it. Okay students?